In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to ManyChat. By the end, your ManyChat account will be linked to a Facebook page so you can start building automated conversations and managing Messenger chats from one place. Begin on the ManyChat home tab, which is your main dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your workspace. If you're not sure you're in the right spot, look for the area that shows your account overview and recent activity. A quick tip before we proceed. Make sure you're already logged into the correct Facebook account in your browser, ideally one that has admin or full control access to the Facebook page you want to connect. That will prevent permission issues during the connection process. From the left-hand sidebar, click Settings. This is where all your channel connections and account preferences live. If you don't immediately see it, expand the menu or scroll down slightly. Settings is the control center for adding channels like Messenger, Instagram, and others. Inside Settings, select Messenger. ManyChat organizes channels separately, and this section is dedicated specifically to Facebook Messenger, connections, and preferences. You'll see options related to connection status, permissions, and configuration once the channel is active. Now click Connect. This kicks off the linking flow. Depending on your current login state, you may see a brief authorization step. If a Facebook window appears, review the prompts and continue. You're not creating new content here, just granting ManyChat the access it needs to manage messages for your page. On the next screen, choose the sample Facebook page shown and click to connect it. This attaches your ManyChat workspace to that page so incoming Messenger conversations can be routed into your flows and automations. If you manage multiple pages, ensure you recognize the one being displayed. When prompted, select Start with Free Plan. This enables the connection without requiring payment. You can always explore upgrades later, but the free plan is perfect for getting set up and testing your basic automations and broadcasts. Finally, click Let's Start to confirm everything and finish the setup. You should land back in ManyChat with a success message. A quick way to confirm the link is to return to Settings, open the Messenger section, and check that the status shows as connected. If anything looks off, refresh the page or recheck your Facebook permissions for the page. That's it. You've connected Facebook Messenger to ManyChat and you're ready to build flows, set up keywords, and handle conversations more efficiently. If you found this helpful, move on to creating your first welcome flow and greeting message so new visitors have a smooth experience the moment they reach out.